It's absolutely delicious. Really is. Isn't it good?
That is really good, love. You nailed it. Something that some of you might not know is that I am not the only one who loves to cook in this household. And today, since I've made plenty of Filipino food already for Mike, this time it's Mike's turn to make
Schnitzel.
Nine. No, Mike is making Filipino food for us today, and that is
Menudo.
Menudo. Funny enough, we realized recently that menudo is very similar to an Austrian dish called goulash.
Well, I guess the most comparable thing to a menudo is a goulash.
It's very similar in a sense that it has all these like tomatoey, ooey goodness that a menudo has. So we're very excited to see also how his parents would react to this dish, given that they love goulash as well. And you said that your mom also used to cook something similar to a menudo when I made you try menudo the first time.
So let's see what she says when she tries it. Maybe she'll recognize it like close to one of her dishes.
Let's start. And of course, I'm still gonna be helping Mike, but all the taste and all the other things, I'm not coaching him.
Alright, so let's get started with choppy, peely.
Exactly. So I'm gonna help you peel the carrots.
So the base
potato.
ingredients for the menudo today. Hi, Dad. The base ingredients for the menudo today is we have pork belly, we have hot dogs, we have carrots, potatoes, onions, liver spread, and
Red bell peppers.
red bell peppers, exactly. And then just a plethora of other seasonings that we will get to as we move on.
Actually, how nice is it that here in Austria we have yellow, red, green. So
We have that in the Philippines as well. Oh no, we don't.
yellow, I'm not sure.
Maybe.
But this is more of a capsicum, right?
Yes.
So we're gonna use just the red one. This should be fine. Looks like an apple, actually.
Vegetables like that, like bell peppers, are a lot cheaper in Austria than they are in the Philippines. I feel like in the Philippines they're often a little bit of a luxury item, almost.
True. Where
Is this
are
for the scraps, love?
Yes. Tomatoes, baby. I saw tomatoes here, but maybe your mom threw it away.
Yeah. Well, we can just message her. She's at the shops right now, so.
There's still a tomato there, but it's tiny tomato. You steely!
This is the better peel anyway.
You peeled so thick.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. This is the better peel anyway. How do we want this one cut?
Same size like this. Like,
Right, so the hard part is done. We've prepped all the ingredients. We've peeled, chopped, diced, julienned, everything here on the side. And now we start building up the flavor step by step. And I'm doing it a little bit different, I think, than the Filipino traditional way. I'm going to start with the pork and then use the rendered pork fat to fry everything else in. And it also comes together in the pot, where we'll be needing Grace's help. Anyway, can't do no harm, we'll just do the flavor, right? Okay. Alright, now I'm slightly sauteing the carrots in the pork, in the rendered pork fat, so we're just building more and more flavor here. Me looking like I'm knowing what I'm doing. One of these.
Almost forgot. This is more like an afritada.
Isn't it good?
And then also tiny bit of color. And then once it has color, what do you call this? Paprika. Yeah, the pepper. Bell pepper.
I'm your assistant.
Wow, love.
Wow.
So good at this cooking thing.
So we're sweating the onions, right?
Yes.
No color. No color?
Fancy. Really toast it now. We want the sticky bits on there. Multitasking. I see what you're doing. We need it.
Mom, we need that.
Sorry.
Get that back over here.
We're cooking with the
I
liver
was
pate.
wondering why it was out of the fridge.
Yes. Tomatoes in.
Does this go to here now? To here?
Yes. And then let it rest if it's cooked.
Uh-huh.
And salt. In goes the pork. You enjoying this process?
I am.
It's very satisfying to cook, isn't it?
I miss cooking. You know, when I'm traveling, I've really been appreciating having my mom cook and you cook. But in the last month, I've only cooked one time. And I
Steak.
really, huh?
Steak.
Oh, actually, yeah, well, steak. I don't count steak. Making steak as cooking anymore. It's like second nature.
So what is the last thing you cooked?
Carbonara.
Ah, that's right.
Carbonara.
Okay, now in goes the soy sauce.
Good.
Done? And then you still need oyster sauce.
Where's the oyster sauce?
I think it's in the...
I think it's me. Tell me when.
Yeah, just for color, yeah. more. Yeah, that should be good. And then the secret of this menudo, what makes it special, is this. Now you people might be wondering, what is this? So, because we don't have... So usually the menudo would be with pork liver, but because we didn't want to get pork liver anymore, and I don't think it's easy to find pork liver in... It is? Okay.
But we have so much chicken liver pate from
So
Christmas.
so usually what we just do is add some liver spread or liver pate to the menudo, and voila! Mike's mom made this liver pate from scratch, right? From scratch, and this is what we're using for our menudo, which makes it, I'm sure, extra tasty because I can't think of any other brand of liver spread that tastes just as good as this. So that's what we're using.
And we have some leftover from this as well.
Yeah, this is a leftover from the spaghetti.
Yeah, in?
Yeah.
And then how much is this?
Also about the same amount. Look at that. How rich it is.
Nice aroma.
Amazing. Did you manage to get all the flavors in?
Yeah.
Then you can add about half a cup of water.
One of these.
Almost forgot. Bay leaves.
Bay leaves.
Very important. Bay leaves.
You know, I don't realize. I always use bay leaves where they're supposed to be in a recipe, but I never notice a difference of them going in.
There is so much difference. Okay. The almost forgotten bay leaves. But you can season her at least. I mean,
I
with
think,
pepper, sorry.
yeah, I think there's a lot of pepper and salt in here, so I think I should season to the end, towards the end.
Hey.
Time to combine the ingredients.
And I can see already what people are gonna comment on YouTube.
What?
Where's the rice?
Where's the rice? Yeah,
Sorry, folks.
no rice, yeah.
No rice.
Needs more liquid or more?
No, we're just waiting for it to be way thicker than that.
Reduce the heat a little bit?
Yeah, because it's too... Taste this?
Okay, let's see how the seasoning is. I think it's good. I think it's just spot on.
Yeah? I think we can put it higher now because this needs to be thicker than it is now. This is more like an afritada. Pork afritada. Just a little bit more. And we are ready.
This bay leaves out. They have served their purpose, which is nothing in my opinion.
Now this is what we call again Carinderia style menudo.
Small for me.
A bigger portion for you, Mom.
Love, thank you very much for making this.
Yes,
You're
thank
welcome.
you very much, both of you.
Thank you for
Michael.
the detailed instructions, love. Let me give this a try. My very first home-cooked menudo by me.
I've also learned how to make it now.
Yeah. So how would an afritada be different?
It doesn't have, I believe it doesn't have soy sauce and liver spread.
Okay, let me try.
That's so good.
That's nice.
Was it?
So the potatoes they're not super soft, but I kind of like it.
Yeah.
Oh, it's just
Well, some
perfect.
people prefer them.
Oh, nicely seasoned. All the ingredients came together nicely. How do you like it?
It's absolutely delicious. Really is. It actually reminds me a little bit of an English stew, but we would have beef instead of pork. But honestly, it's really delicious.
I think what my mom also would like is caldereta, probably. Do you like peanuts? Oh, you should like caldereta.
There's not much I don't like.
Oh, this is delicious.
Yeah, kain tayo, matside.
Okay, love. Time for you to judge my
Judge.
skills.
Okay, gonna get some pork.
Is this the first time me cooking Filipino food for you? I believe so.
Really?
I think so.
Yeah.
I think so. Because you haven't made the sinigang. Did you make the sinigang?
I can't remember. I think maybe when you were sick, I attempted to make sinigang. Could that be?
No.
No? Okay.
Isn't it good?
That is really good, love. You nailed it.
Dad will really enjoy this.
You
one.
really nailed it, I'm telling you. Doesn't need rice anymore. I mean, I would love if we have rice, but
But it really doesn't need it.
it's
eh?
not so salty, so it can stand by itself. You can have it by itself. The carrots are so soft and nicely cooked.
And so tasty. Really?
The potatoes are softer now.
Yeah.
They're much softer now, which is what we're worried about because the potatoes could take a long time to be really soft. Now I want to try the sausage as well.
Which sausage did
It's
you
really
get?
good, love. We just got the chicken hot dog.
Oh, right. Okay.
Yeah.
It's good.
Kain tayo.
Kind of love. Thank you.
And that just shows the actual reason why I moved to this country. I was so moved by how many of you were sticking up for me and really had my back in the comment section. We have come out to grab lunch with our friends that are in town from the US. There's something exciting that I want to show you guys. Something very exciting in